So, good morning, everyone. Welcome to class. Hope everyone is doing well this morning. So you guys know how this works by now. Good morning, Mr. Fields. So today I thought we would maybe talk about what's going on with you guys and how you feeling about this whole situation, and concerns, complaints, a little, I guess, fix and help session, and maybe run some things by you guys. Have you let me know kind of what is going on with you, and good morning, Miss McCoy. So you guys probably already noticed that I started putting in some grades for you guys showing up to this, because hey, if you got to get out of bed in the morning, right, why not so you don't know what you're doing in math? Who is your math teacher? Good morning, Miss Madison. Good morning, everyone. For those of you who have not typed anything in the chat box, I would encourage you to do so. At least tell me who you are so that you can get your credit for showing up this morning. So I have Miss Stone. I can text her. Have you actually reached out to her? And Zach Martin. I can get in contact with him. Yes. Hey, if you got to get out of bed to come do this, I'm going to give you guys like basically a free participation grade. Okay. Um, do you have a specific question? I can text her real quick if you want me to. We have already been texting this morning. Just the. So another question, and I know you guys have been logging into this, and I think it's pretty easy, but how do you guys feel about, or maybe you tell me if you've done this in anybody else's class and how it's worked out? Because I have some other teacher friends who have used this, but there's something called Zoom. I think that's what it's called. And okay. Zoom allows you to. I think it was about 9:05, 9:10 when we got in here yesterday. So Zoom allows you to talk instead of type. It's video. I know some of you guys had said, no, I don't want to do video, but it kind of gives you some human interaction other than just your family, which I don't know how much you guys are actually staying at home like you're supposed to. So, I will be making the quiz for today. Here, let's just get this out of the way, and then today will be a little shorter. Because it's Friday, and why not, right? All right, so today you are supposed to take the quiz online. See, it even loads slow at home. I have not uploaded it. As a matter of fact, I think what I'm going to do is give you a definition and you just tell me which amendment. It'll be real simple, and it'll just be fill in the blank. And I'll maybe, I think it'll give me the ability to put a word bank in forms. So I'll do that. I gotta say, kudos to second period government class for showing up. Nobody from sixth period has showed up yet. So there's that. Yay, second period. So Miss Madison, how is it working? Are there a lot of students showing up, and is it really conducive to what you guys are trying to do? Meaning, can you really interact, or are you just sort of kind of stuck, hoping you don't speak over somebody? They do every day, man. Every day. Ah. Mr. McLean, I think you are the first one from your class to actually show up. So good Friday morning to you. All right, so does anybody have any questions about how to access Edgenuity? Anything that's going on in Edgenuity? I had received some. Let me look at these messages. I think I had received some messages from you guys. I'm just making sure here. Yeah, I think just in government there was only one person. So, all right. Let me open this thing up. What do I do with it? You don't know how to use it? Alright. So let me go to Infinite Campus real quick. I am going to log in using your login because I have access to you guys' login information. So let me do this real quick. And I will walk you guys through this. That's pretty easy. Some of you guys have some crazy passwords, and some of you just have like normal stuff. All right. So here we are. So I have logged in as Miss McCoy. I like your background picture. Mine's just that plain, boring blue. Whoops. All right. Yeah. All right. So you're going to click on the one that says blended learning, and all of you guys should do this. This is how you should go about this. So when you click on it, it'll open up Edgenuity. And then right there is mine. So I named all of mine based off of my name. I would contact my personal teachers to see what they have assigned in Edgenuity, largely because after having a conversation yesterday with Mr. Smith, the board for some reason uploaded just like all the stuff to you guys, and I don't know why they did that. So let's just click on this thing. So all you got to do is just click on this at the top. Apparently you must be logged into it. So if we're both logged into it, it's not going to work. So you may have to log out. Alright. So you click at the top. If it does it again, there you go. I guess you all you got to do is just go through this video. Once you go through this, it'll take you to the next learning session, and all you have to do is just keep hitting next. So going back, and this, and it's, you can tell here it says it should take you 14 minutes, 9 minutes. This one says 15 minutes, and you do have to progress through them one by one. you should be, if you sat down today and spent like an hour, you could probably get caught up. And that's for any of you who have not even started. You literally, that's all. I mean, seriously, you just click at the top and then just work your way through. I would go to the warm up and do it again, Miss McCoy. I guess whatever I clicked made it check it off for you. But that might help you kind of figure out what's going on and navigate it. If you, for some reason, need to email me, you should have Office 365 on here. And I'm just going to load this up. Hope it doesn't... I'm just going to do the continue to the website. I'll show you guys how to... Oh, good Lord, it's going to... Alright, so this one actually launched mine because I'm logged in, so that'll be fine. It won't mess up your... So, new message. Hello. Pop up a new message. This is why I hate doing this online, because it takes forever. This would be your email address, not mine, because I'm in my account. It's that way. And then you just type NEWTO, and I'm like the very first one to pop up. You click on it. Tell me who you are, and then what your question is if you need to email me. And then all you have to do is hit send. All right. Okay. I kind of thought it was that way, Miss Madison. I may do that. Does she just like post up a link on her page, or how does she? Maybe I need to talk to her and ask her how she does hers. I used GoToMeeting, and we played with it in one class one day, but that version of GoToMeeting doesn't allow me to completely block you from like doing stuff. So I'll have to play around with Zoom, but and if you keep wondering why I keep looking down, I've got two monitors, and your chats are on this monitor over here. So I'll play around with it. The other thing is that probably starting Monday, I'm going to post on the class page, or either on my home page somewhere, a link for your parents if they want to set up some time to speak with me. I'll have like a little schedule thing on there, and all they do is go in and log in, put their name, and like they'll have to put an email address, and then it'll send them a thing. So if they want to speak with me or have any questions, we'll do it like that. Because I know some of your parents probably have questions, but they're not really sure who to call or what to do. And then, of course, report cards came out. So, welcome to lockdown, right? You were going to be on lockdown one way or the other, probably some of you. Now, second period, you guys are doing really, really well. Sixth periods, if y'all ever decide to watch these, y'all need to get y'all's act together. Okay, Miss Madison, so probably what I'll do is if I switch to that, because I got to figure out if I can record it, because I know that there will be people who will not be on here. But what we might do is like 1 or 2 days a week do the Zoom just for you guys to get interaction and not just hear me talk, and then we can do it like that and maybe keep doing these YouTube. I don't know. I'll figure out how to record it. But anybody else have any questions? So here's the names that I have so far for today: Fields, McCoy, Madison, Elderkin, Stewart, Asias, Arias, and McLean. Which, Miss Arias, tell your brother that he can log in and sleep like he does in class and probably still pass. I don't know. Alright, I'm going to log in and see what kind of progression you guys are making, because I have not looked at y'all's progression this morning. Anybody have any questions about USA Test Prep? Do it, don't do it. It is extra credits. So, I hadn't decided how I'm going to count it yet. Since you guys are doing it, I may make it worth a quiz grade. That sounds good, right? Quiz grade? What say you all? Alright. So, these are the people that look like that they are on task. Well, cool. It's probably pretty easy, right? So Miss Britt, Miss Brooks, Miss Elderkin, Mr. Fields, you're pretty close to being caught up. Looks like McLean, you are getting started, and that's fine. Miss Asias, looks like you're pretty much caught up. Let's go to the next page. Whoa, somebody is already 50% done. Way to go, Mr. Vinson. So, nice job, guys. There's a lot of people who have not even started, so if I didn't call your name, it's probably because you haven't started yet. Get started. No, not now. I do the world history one at 11. So I guess that's the benefit of, I would say, being upperclassmen, but about half of y'all are seniors, so you should have passed it the first time around. Any other questions, comments, complaints? Anything you would like to know? Yeah, edgenuity, where are you at? Oh, you haven't logged into edgenuity. Yeah, you need to log into edgenuity, Miss Madison. So you guys should be, if for those of you who've missed it, you need to be doing edgenuity. That's why I was walking you guys through how to get on there and do it. So everybody should be doing edgenuity for my class. At this point, it's not that big of a deal for these first 3 days. If you get to Tuesday or Wednesday of next week, yeah, behind is probably going to be the word of the day. So, log into Launchpad. Here. When you log into Launchpad, you should have... Oh, I need to start remembering to open this thing up. Hold on. I got a little cool like pointer and stuff. Oh, there it is. Okay. No, I don't need to update you. Alright, we'll go with pink because you can see pink really well on this. So, right here, it says blended learning. Yours will say student, mine says staff. When you click on it, it will open up edgenuity, and then no, not that. You will have like a list of like classes. You'll notice that mine is I'll have my last name by them. So since you're in government, yours will say Newton Distance Learning U.S. Government or USGOV. So this is the class name that you are looking for right here. Does that answer your question there, Miss Madison? If you need your login and password, if you are in Remind, and I'll look and see if you're in Remind, I will send you your through Remind. Oh, there you are. You are in there twice for some reason. But I can send you your password if you need it. Just let me know if any of you guys end up needing a password to get into Launchpad. Let me know through Remind, and I can just get on my computer, and all I have to do is just copy and paste it in there for you. So I think based off of let me look again before I speak. You should be, I think, at like 24%, something like that. I think Miss Osias was the one that was... I clicked on the wrong class. That's just annoying. I'll look at your progress. Let's see here. Yeah, you should be at... Well, I'll show you. So you're actually where you're supposed to be. So that's where you guys, I think, should be starting today. You're right, it's freedom expression. So I don't know, Miss Osias, how long did it take you to do this? Because did you sit down and do it all at like one time, or did you break it up over a day or two? I think, does this not give me... No. I thought that this would... Apparently I never assigned myself the class. Interesting. Anyway. So how long did it take you to do it? Gotcha. All right. So let's see if we can find this to make sure this is the right one. Ah, there it is. That was real easy. All right, so yeah. All right, Monday you may have a link to this, or yeah, I'll play with it over the weekend. You guys may have a link to this on Monday. So 30 to 45 minutes to do like 2 days worth of stuff is not bad. So excellent. All right. If you guys don't have any more questions, it's Friday. Do your edgenuity. Watch Netflix or Hulu or Prime or whatever it is you guys do, and have a good day. Maybe get out and walk around your neighborhood or something, or go to the woods somewhere and walk a trail, but not in groups of more than like 3 or 4. For those of you who are seniors, don't stress. Seriously, don't stress. And if you guys do the edgenuity, I mean, I'm just gonna put the grades in. You're gonna pass the class, and it's not gonna matter. So those of you who are seniors, you are not going to be punished because of this. So don't stress. Cool. All right. So to get out of here, I need, let's see here. Here you go. A little 70s hairband to get you out of here. Hey, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for showing up. Nice hard work this week. I know even though you were out of school. No stress. Good Friday to you. Have a good day.